Codes and conventions adhere to the drama thriller form of We Need to Talk About Kevin. The titles are used on the backdrop of the curtains, creating a foreboding outcome. The bold lettering in the typography is used to submerge the next transition scene. The information conveyed in the trailer comes from the BBC, Cannes Film Festival and reviews, for example, the New York Times and the Guardian. Then actors' names are introduced, and after that is the origin of the film from the novel, for example. Characters are introduced by the two main characters in the prelapsarian garden as happy and joyful of the mum and dad. To transition to when Kevin is introduced is a segue in the mood from the Buddy Holly Every Day. When the turning point is shown by the segue into another soundtrack, the ball from the Cannes Film Festival creates a thump, and then the sound bridge of the ball playing continues throughout until the rising action reaches the climax. The central themes and ideas surrounding We Need to Talk About Kevin is the ambivalence towards maternity influence and the outcome of a killer, the battle between nature and nurture, relationships between mother and child in comparison to he and that of his father.
The bouncing of the ball and the repetition is used to symbolise his rebellion and the rising action. It then reverts back to every day in order to display the aftermath. The sound triggers used signifies a shift to the dominant multiple scenes towards the end of the trailer of the same type in order to establish and build a picture of the complication. The purpose of the asynchronous sound to emphasise a child's behaviour in the father's absence. Time condenses quickened by the pace of the trailer. After the rising action indicates dramatic